Thank you. Thank you. This immigration question is a decisive issue for our time. As the president often says, a country without borders is not a country. I don't know why that's so hard for some people to understand. In the United States, we have the most generous immigration laws in the world. The rhetoric we hear from the other side on this issue, as on many others, has become radicalized. We hear views on television today that are on the lunatic fringe, frankly. And what is perhaps more galling is the hypocrisy. These same people live in gated communities, many of them, and are featured at events where you have to have an ID to even come in and hear them speak. They like the little security around themselves. And if you try to scale the fence, believe me, they'll be even too happy to have you arrested and separated from your children. If they would like to see that. So they want borders in their lives, but not in yours, and not in the American people's lives. And that's why the American people are sick of the lip service and the hypocrisy. So this is the Trump era. We are enforcing our laws again. We know whose side we are on. So does this group. And we're on the side of the police. And we're on the side of the public safety of the American people. The radical, extremist, open borders crowd should declare whose side they are on. But, look, we are resolute. We understand our mission. We're going to keep fighting with the support of President Trump and with your strong support for police and the rule of law. I'm confident that we will turn the tide, the roll tide, and keep the American people safe. This decision is critical to ensuring the continued authority of President Trump and all future presidents to protect the American people. It is the president, after all, who is elected and entrusted with the safety and security of the American people and to enforce an immigration system that serves the national interest. He's the chief executive. And, you know, we respect courts and their legal opinions, and we've always tried to be respectful of them, but they're not a policy-setting branch. They don't get to set the policies for the country. So we're very pleased with the outcome today and hope that this goes some way toward ending the practice of these broad nationwide injunctions.